I would like to show today that the unit circle can be very helpful in solving equations like this one. Okay, we want to find x. Okay, well, we know that this equation, if we multiply x minus 1 to this one, plus x plus 1 is equal to 0, and that one is equal to x fourth minus 1 equal to 0. Well, you divide this by x minus 1, you get this. Therefore, this equation, you have 4 roots, and one is positive 1, the other 3 is there. And we use unit circle. Unit circle is a circle radius 1, and this equation has 4 roots. 4 roots on this unit circle, and one is here, one, right? The other 3 is distributed evenly, and this is here, and here, and here. It's negative 1. This is I. This is a negative I. So I give the three solution is that x is equal to minus 1 and positive or negative I. So these are 3 roots. We can simply see that these 3 roots, 1, 2, 3. Now, how about this one? This equation we can write as a x minus 1 multiplied with this x3, x plus 2 plus x plus 1 equal to 0, which means x5 minus 1 equal to 0. So we have a 5 units, 5 roots distributed over this unit circle. This is 1. This second, this is another 1. This is another 1. This is another 1. There are 5 roots. And one root is positive 1. The other 4 is there. The other 4 is belong to this equation. So namely, x is equal to cosine 2 pi over 5 plus or minus I sine 2 pi over 5. And the other two is cosine 4 pi over 5 plus or minus I sine 4 pi over 5. So these are 4 roots. 1, 2, 3, 4 belong to this equation. This one is belong to this. So we can, well, you want numerical approximation, we can have it easily using calculator. So this is very, very good method. Now, how about this equation? This equation, we can write x minus 1 multiplied by this. X squared plus x plus 1 equal to 0, which means x6 minus 1 equal to 0. So this is equation. You have 6 roots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 1. This is negative 1. Okay, these 6 roots. 1 belongs to this one. The other 5 belong to this equation. So namely is well, we know that this is a half plus or minus root 3 over 2I. These are these 2 roots. And these are negative half plus or minus root 3 over 2I. And also you have a negative. So these are 5 roots belong to this equation using unit circle. Very easy. Let's do one or two more. This equation, we want to solve this equation. Very easy. Well, this one is equal to x minus 1 multiplied x6, x5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And this equation is x6 minus 1 equal to 0. So this equation has 6 roots. No, 7 roots. I'm sorry. 7 minus 1, yeah. So this equation has 7 roots. Well, that means unicircle evenly distributed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now, okay, if you want more specifically, that is one root belong to this one, and the other 6 roots belong to this. Okay, namely is cosine 2 pi over 7 plus or minus I sine 2 pi over 7. That is these 2 roots. And cosine 4 pi over 7 plus or minus I sine 4 pi over 7. These are these 2 roots. And 2 more. That is cosine 6 pi over 7 plus or minus I sine 6 pi over 7. You can use a calculator to find the approximate value. So these 6 roots belong to this equation. Okay, this ones belong to this. Okay, one more. This equation. Now, how very easy to solve this equation by using unicircle, which means that x minus 1 multiplied by x7, x6, x5, x4, x3, x2, x plus 1 equal to 0, which means that x8 minus 1 equal to 0. So this equation, you have 8 roots. One positive, one is belong to this one. The other 7 belong to this equation. We just simply draw a unicircle, 8 roots. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. Well, let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, this is 1 belong to this factor, and the other 7 belong to this one. Namely, let me write down this one is easier, right? This is 1 over root 2 plus or minus I 1 over root 2. So these two roots, and these 2 roots plus or minus I. See, this is I, right? This is negative I. And these are negative 1 over root 2 plus or minus I 1 over root 2. These 2 roots. And finally, you have a negative 1. See? You have 8 roots. Yeah, 8 roots. These 7 belong to the roots of this equation. And this one positive one belong to this factor. So we can use very effectively using the unicircle to solve these type of equations. So this is what I want to say. Thank you.